What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be installing this unit Kimisha from the Color Bomb series from Outre. I have color Midnight Paradise, and as you can see, it has a whole bunch of different colors in there. It's very cute, and it comes in various colors as well. This unit is 36 inches long. It's not a frontal, it is a T-part. I believe it's 5-inch deep T-part. So yeah, get into this install. I really did like this unit. Honestly, I'm not really into T-parts, but this one I liked it, one, because it was long. I love long hair. Second, I liked it because the density of the wig was just right. I don't really like my wigs too full, but this was perfect for a naturally straight unit, and it had a natural texture as well. I didn't really have to brush it out that much like I usually do. It's premium synthetic hair, so it's a good blend. It didn't shed. It's a really good unit, so I would definitely recommend this unit. For something fast, I did a glueless install for this one because she just wanted something quick, so I'm like, this is perfect. Other than that, enjoy the install. You can see my whole process, but definitely recommend this wig. 10 out of 10, especially if you love color. This is perfect. So enjoy the install. As you can see, this unit came out very cute. I loved how the colors blended into each other. This was a very nice unit. If you guys want to purchase this unit, I will put the link in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends.